In today's video, we will have a deep understanding of the flap disk. It will help you better understand it. Flap disks are versatile grinding tools known for their exceptional versatility and long-lasting performance. They consist of abrasive flaps layered radially around a steady backing pallet. To make the most of your flap disks, here are a few key tips to keep in mind. Choose the right grade size. Finer grades such as 80 or 120 are suitable for smoother surface, while coarser grades such as 40 or 60 are better suited for rough surface removal. Keep the correct angle. Keep a consistent angle between 15 to 20 degrees when using a flap disk. This ensures best contact with the workpiece and prevents excessive wear. Apply proper pressure. Let the flap disk to do the work for you. Avoid applying excessive pressure, as it can lead to premature wear and reduce performance. By following these tips, you can better use your flap disks to improve its grinding performance. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to develop your technique. At Xinbond, we offer a wide range of flap disks designed to meet your specific needs. Visit our website or contact our team of experts to discover the perfect flap disks for your projects. Improve your grinding performance with our top quality tools.